Dude, dudette, guess what? For the first time ever, the city of Los Angeles is under a blizzard warning. Oh my God. As a dangerous winter storm makes its way from California all the way to the East Coast and Maine, as far as you could possibly think of, Winter Storm Olive is hitting everybody. The National Weather Service out of Los Angeles shared the historic warning Wednesday, writing, blizzard warning for extremely dangerous mountain conditions coming. Mountain travel will be a mess. Really? A mess? That doesn't sound very professional. Noting just how unusual the warning was, the NWS out of LA added, clarification note on previous post. After reviewing more records, this is the first blizzard warning we are aware of, even dating back before 2007. Dudes, it's shaping up to be a very unusual event. Especially the impacts are probably going to be really huge. UCA climate scientist Daniel Swain said, snow has already begun falling in parts of the Midwest. We don't care about that. We're worried about California, which can see over 2 feet of snow from Winter Storm Olive from Wednesday night through Thursday. There could be more than 65 million dudes and dudettes across 29 states, all the way from California to Minnesota through Maine. They're all under winter weather alerts. There could be icy conditions, extreme cold weather, sleet, and the upper Midwest is going to bear the brunt of Olive's wrath. But hey, you know what, dudes? Even California and the Northeast are expected to be affected by the powerful storm, with thousands and thousands of customers already without power in this, the Golden State. And more than 1,400 flights canceled across the country. Stay put, everybody. As of, whoa, there it is. Oh my God. Dropping all kinds of snow and rain. As of Wednesday evening, nearly 1,500 flights were canceled, leaving or traveling within the United States. Nearly 4,000 flights were delayed. Glad I'm not traveling anywhere. It's the most dire in Minneapolis, St. Paul. They canceled 46% of its outgoing flights and 51% of its incoming flights. That's almost half. Meanwhile, more than 141,000 homes and businesses across 5 states are already without power. The majority of the power outages were reported in California, right here, dudes, with PG&E, Pacific Gas and Electric, said strong winds were already affecting electrical equipment, while the Weather Service office in San Francisco reported downed trees and damaged roofs. Wait, if there was that much strong winds, couldn't the windmills take care of them? The turbines give us power? Yeah, just kidding, dude. Wind turbines don't work. The area is now expected to see snowy conditions over the next few days, with the mountains of Los Angeles, Ventura, and Santa Barbara all under blizzard warnings from Friday through Saturday, as cooler air moves in and wind speeds increase to 55 miles per hour. Sammy Hagar says, I can't drive 55. The snow is expected to hit low elevations all the way from Oregon to the Mexican border. Nearly the entire population of California will be able to see the snow, dudes, from some vantage point. If everybody looks in the right direction, keep your eyes out, you're going to see some white stuff. Some areas more than 6,000 feet above sea level, that's a long ways, could see up to 7 feet of snow. Dudes, imagine what's going to happen when that melts. While other areas are likely to see lower amounts. The National Weather Service Los Angeles said it's the first blizzard area that is aware of for the city. At the same time, dudes, other areas along the coast and valleys will see several inches of rain. Oh my God. Up to 7 feet of snow. Oh, we talked about that. Well, are going to get up to 7 feet of snow for places that are 6 feet above sea level. And anything less than 2,500 feet is going to get a lot less snow. I can't believe it, dudes. But, believe it or not, the Midwest will likely bear the brunt of the winter storm. More than 5 million people are under ice storm warnings. Oh, nothing's worse than ice storm warnings, dudes. Another 2 million people are under blizzard warnings across Wyoming, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and the Dakotas. Look it up there in Oregon. Some areas may see as much as 25 inches of snow, with the heaviest amounts falling across Minnesota and the cheesehead state of Wisconsin. While wind gusts could reach 50 miles an hour and wind chills could hit 50 degrees below zero. Schools across the area have been canceled. North Dakota temperatures could plunge as low as negative 20 degrees. Oh my God. This is going to be pretty gnarly, everybody. The city of Cheyenne, Wyoming is now expected to see snowfall up to 1 foot and heavy winds that can make temperatures feel as cold as 35 below zero. By Thursday, parts of Minneapolis could be between 15 to 25 inches of snow. Dudes, do that to Minnesota. Stay indoors. Don't drive. In addition to 1 to 3 inches that have already fallen. The largest snowstorm on record for the city was 28.4 inches from October 31st through November 3rd, 1991, known as the Halloween blizzard. The second largest was 21.1 on December 1st, 1985. No, from November 29th through December 1st. Dudes, this might break their record. And guess what? Again, they can be minus 50 degrees below zero. But hey, just a reminder, LA got their first blizzard warning ever, dudes. Oh my God, let's pray for everybody who's going to be in the wrath of Winter Storm Olive. Dudes, including California and the other 29 states all the way to Maine. So, say a prayer for everybody. And don't forget to tell your friends and family to subscribe to Minnesota and Oregon, dudes. Rock on!